going on my favorite ride, or on our way to go on it anyways, living in the land.
So it kind of goes along with the whole gardening thing. You can see how Disney does gardening in some really cool.
Well, because they do it best, let's be honest.
Many foods like papaya, bananas, cacao, coffee, and rice are well known around the world. These are just a few of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people living in the tropics. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted to growing in less than ideal conditions. Some, like the water lily, thrive in wet, swampy areas and waterways. All parts of this plant, even the flower petals, are edible. The starchy root of the plant has already been used to make flour for baking. One day, many of these lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on